Greetings, everyone. I am Jeremiah, and I authored the article Contemplating on My Linking Standards to Quality Practice or Leadership Journey in the Philippines on Autoethnography published at the Normalized last December 2024. Let's talk about professional growth in teaching. Around the world, efforts have been made to make sure that education stays top notch. Teachers are being supported through different programs. There's already a wealth of work on the scholarship of teaching and learning with frameworks designed to help improve effectiveness. But even with all that, there is still a constant need for fresh, updated materials to keep up with the changing perspectives in education. In 2021, a significant step was taken toward advancing professional teaching practices in the Philippines. The Department of Education partnered with the Philippine Normal University, the country's national center for teacher education, to strengthen the professional development of educators across the country. The Linking Standards to Quality Practice, or LISCUBE program, was organized and implemented through this partnership and is one of the country's professional advancement programs, besides learning cells and in service training. What sets the LISCUBE program apart from other professional development initiatives are 3 points. First, it's closely aligned with the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers, or PPST. Second, it offers both graduate and postgraduate programs. And third, unlike the usual programs at PNU, LeaseCube is designed with a shorter, more intensive format, just 6 weeks per term. Plus, it includes job embedded learning, or GEL. I chose to conduct this study because of the unique and innovative nature of the LeaseCube program, and I wanted to make the most of what I was learning in my coursework. Since ListCube is still fairly new in the field, the data I gathered based on my own lived experiences provides fresh insights that will help guide future development or even replication of the program. In this paper, I take a closer look at how the program shaped me. I reflect on my ListCube journey and how it contributed to my growth. To frame my discussion, I used experiential learning theory, which highlights how meaningful learning happens through a cycle of experience. This model follows 4 key stages: experiencing, reflecting, thinking, and acting. It's a powerful way to make sense of what we go through by turning real life situations into deep learning moments. The literature I reviewed highlighted several key ideas that support the goals of LeaseCube. Research in the scholarship of teaching shows that professional development programs play a crucial role in strengthening teacher skills and competencies. Autoethnographic studies reveal how graduate schools' experience can powerfully impact teacher growth. However, it's also important to note that these programs can be demanding, but for many educators, the challenges are worth it, leading to deeper learning and long term benefits. This study follows an autoethnographic design, where I use my own lived experiences as the primary data source to explore the impact of ListCube on my professional development. Narrative draws from personal memories, many of which were captured through my social media posts during the program. To make sense of this reflection, I used thematic analysis as my method. By revisiting and interpreting the content of my posts, I was able to identify recurring themes that highlight how the program shaped my growth. From my reflections, 3 key themes emerged: character projection, cognitive processing, and career progression. It became clear that my experiences in ListCube significantly contributed to growth in all 3 areas, shaping who I am as a person, deepening how I think and learn, and advancing my journey as a professional educator. As an outcome of this study, I present the ListCube Development Framework, a model that captures how the ListCube experience fosters optimal instructional performance among its professional students. This framework is built on 3 core components derived from my findings: character projection, cognitive processing, and career progression. These elements reflect the developmental impact of the program and offer a pathway for both professional growth and the generation of future scholarly work within the ListCube context. This study was conducted to explore my personal and professional journey within the LISCU program, a professional development initiative designed for DepEd educators with the aim of enhancing productivity and elevating instructional practice. Through the lens of experiential learning and using an autoethnographic approach, I reflected on my own experiences and analyzed my social media narratives. From these reflections, 3 major themes emerged: character formation, cognitive processing, and career progression. The Leadership Development Framework, born out of this study, encapsulates how teachers can experience holistic growth, linking preparation and planning with professional behavior and career mobility. While the academic rigor of PNU may seem overwhelming at times, it's precisely this challenge that cultivates deep learning and meaningful transformation. Looking ahead, this framework opens exciting possibilities for future research. Future studies could include individual or collective case studies across various contexts to validate and refine the framework. Data from other education institutions, especially those delivering similar professional development programs, can expand our understanding of what truly works in advancing the teaching profession. And that wraps up the core of my paper. If you have any questions or would like to discuss this freely, please feel free to reach out via the email address provided. You may access the article through the QR code displayed. All the videos and pictures that identified faces in this presentation were taken from Canva. Thank you so much for your time and interest.